Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Dr. Mukul sangma ubade nong elam ko All India Trinamool Congress haming halia ulaong bakum kinong elam hapo ke jela ki Sngew bakalong kebadan kamban say Kyrtong ha kani election MP kaban wan watla hadu menta nakaliang kinong elam bahakmat kimpat simrai AA. Dr. Mukul ulaong bahag election MLA kabadang sudap haba pai syakari kasi ba jantia la yoi ba kajingyo vote kalong ka batalot Henry Harilom garu kabyang bha bala yoi ru ya kajing scam jong kinong tre ka seng samadan ulaong ba kum ka seng garon kamban ya chakmat ban Pynïeng Kyrtong bada ka bede bat kane la dabru ban pen Sngew shi kinong elam ba hakmat Henry kumakalong menta haban apshwa ya karai namarba haba pai syaka national level ki seng san perthai ba pher ki badon hakaliang persya kiladap bantau da ke India block ha ka baka TMC ru ka dan benta lang bat ha ka baka jingtmu jong kising san perthai ba pher ru kalong baki kwa ban sei do Kyrtong yamon lang une unong elam ka TMC hamig haria ulaong baka ni ka byang bha Henry kala ban nem tre kam hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka bat kin dan ru ki jaka bah ban pelan bat kumta lapen Sngew ru baya kami halia ru dai ban pelan bakum kaseng kan yo ban sei Kyrtong banya kun hak election MP kaban salong ho usnem banwan.
From our side, we have indicated that there should be a candidate from TMC, keeping in mind the kind of collective effort that has been put forward by the party grassroots workers. Well, in the eastern part, in the last assembly election, our share of vote has been very, very negligible, not very encouraging. But in western part, yes, we are quite formidable, and it is necessary, therefore, to leverage upon the strength that we have built so far, amplify it, and carry it forward. So this is already communicated, but there are certain factors, of course you are aware of that, because at the national level, this whole talk among the India bloc, TMC being part of this bloc, there is natural expectation that we must wait until a decision is made. But then we have again felt that it is necessary from our side, from the state side, to indicate that we would like to have a candidate, and we must have. Now, it is important to understand the common intent of the political parties in India bloc, because as far as possible, they want to put up a common candidate. But there is a catch here, as far as possible. So it may not be possible everywhere. So there has to be some exceptions in some of the states or some of the seats. And therefore, based on that, we have indicated that yes, there must be exception in Meghalaya. And so first thing is first, you can't put the cart before the horse. You have to decide to put the candidate. Putting up the candidate and the decision thereof is the most important part. Now we cannot say, okay, you proceed ahead, and then suddenly we say that no, we won't have a candidate. So logically we will have to have a clarity. So that is what I want. Okay, let us have a decision, and then based on that we will indicate. We will say that okay, since this is what will be our strategy, we will have a candidate in such and such place. Therefore, proceed ahead. So I think, as you know, what should be the decision first? The decision will have to be in the logically the decision to agree to have a candidate. That's the first decision. But from our side, we are saying that yes, we must have a candidate. Yeah, we should have, and we will eventually have. That's what I feel.
So, Doctor, that's what we understand, that the meeting that you all are supposed to have with the High Command has been due for quite some time now.
Yeah.
So when is it likely?
Well, they have indicated that there will be sometime within this month. I've just reviewed the overall correspondence today, and we'll work it out accordingly.
From Shillong.
In as far as TMC is concerned, we are as of now we are as of now very disciplined party. Okay, so every aspiring candidates have already indicated that if the party so decides, they will be available. The offer of availability as a candidate is already there, so that's a good thing. At least some of the friends are willing to be there. So that's what I can share with you.